I don't even know how many videos. I think 6 or 7. Get some music going. And this off. All right. Hopefully that's not too loud. You can still hear me too. Yeah. See how it goes. All right. So last time we went through applied visual design. Today we're going through applied accessibility. Go to first lesson. Actually, I should have read that one. No. Slightly. We got introduction to applied accessibility challenges. Accessibility generally means web content interface that can be understood, navigated interface by. This includes people with visual, auditory, mobility, and these websites should be open, accessible to everyone. Okay, here are the basic things you need to do. Have well-organized code that uses appropriate markup. Ensure text alternatives exist for non-text and visual content. Create text alternatives. Okay, create an easily navigated page that's keyboard. All right, cool. So, a few lessons in here. Start. Likely that you've seen an alt attribute on an image tag. Alt text describes the content of the image. It's text alternative. This helps cases fail to load and can't. It's also used to search engines. Include it in search results. So here's an example. Image alt equals logo. Right, all that good stuff. So what I need to do? AmperCAD happens to be a code ninja. The picture doesn't. Oh yeah, the picture doesn't load. So I need to give it alt. Amper Ninja, was it? AmperCAD. AmperCAD. That explains the AmperCAD doing karate. And AmperCAD is a karate. Interesting. That's how that shows up. Submit. Go to the next challenge. Have a viewer. Welcome, welcome. I don't know who you are, man, but welcome to the. Yes, got 2 users, Lurks and another viewer. Anyway, welcome. Today we're learning through applied accessibility and. So, carry on. Got samurai swords. Is Chuck Norris a cat person? In here. Yeah. So alt me image tag. In situations when an image is already explained in text content or does not add meaning to the page, the image still needs an attribute, but it can be set to an empty string. Sure. Cool. AmperCAD has coded a skeleton for deep thoughts with the AmperCAD defeating info. The red dot on cat finally beats the red. Add an alt attribute to image tag, set it to an empty string. Alt. Note that the image source Alright, cool. Why is my music stopped? There we go. Headings to show hierarchical, oh man, this is kind of English coding. Hierarchical relationships with content. Headings H1 through H6 elements are workhorse tags. Yep, so go H1, 1255, 255. Screen users can set it set to read only the headings on a summary. This means it is important for the heading tags in your markup. Semantic meaning. Semantic meaning means the tag your user around the content indicates type of information. Yeah, intro, body, conclusion, sure. As an example, each two element follows several subsections labeled with a tags would confuse a reader. Sick choices is attempting to use a tag. You can use CSS. Don't use tags to size, but use CSS. Help him fix the headings, often there's markup. Change all the H5 to a proper heading level. Okay. Let me see in 3. Cool, that should be it. Right. Another name. Applied accessibility. Jump straight to the content using HTML5 introduced a number of new elements that give developers more options while also incorporating accessibility features. These tags include main, header, footer, nav, section, among others. By default, a browser renders similarly to div. However, using them appropriate, use them where appropriate. The main obviously is main. The main tag also has a feature that assistive tag can use. If you ever see jump to main content. Right, so Cat has some big ideas for ninja weapons. Help him set this up by markup, adding opening. Okay. Main. Oh, that's it. Wrap content in the article element. Whoa, you appear to be offline. I don't think I'm offline. That was weird. Oh, I did that. Stream says it's still live. Hey man. Article is another one of the new elements that add semantic meaning. Article is a sectioning element that are used to wrap independent and judgment call, but there are a couple of. Ask yourself if you've removed all surrounding context with. Note about section and div. The section element. Section is for grouping thematically related. The div groups content, section groups related content, article group independent, self-contained. Okay, cool. I'm going to use article to wrap the text, I suppose, but what to use? 1. Change the div. Article. The different heading, different subject. This morning. Does make sense. Make screen reader navigation easier with an header. Header is meant for using body tag of your element. This is different than the header element. Go. Okay. What is it? Camper cat included nav element. Easy navigation. This tag stealth. Guessing these going to be. Excuse me. My music keeps stopping. Similar to header nav, but these just simple tags. Or anyone that uses accessibility stuff. HTML5's audio element gives semantic meaning. Audio also supports control at that play, pause, that kind of. Okay, yeah. Take the time, take a break from the camera. So, okay, I'm basically just custom sources be here. Include the control. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so fast. Just slow it down. Okay. Maybe this is speed. Not do anything. Okay, how that? That's the way too fast. The let's just play back. speed. Equals. Command. Controlling the audio speed. I'm gonna need some kind of script. Can't do it directly within the. That sucks. Why make it so complicated, man? Excuse me. What we need is I need to get my notes. Read the question. The speed. Alright, let's move it this way and then alright, okay. Cool. That will work. That was pretty cool. We had to add controls for the control. This can go work and then it's just source with SRC, which is another source, and then type is all. Alright, cool. HTML file introduce bigger along with big. Used together, these items visual representation, like an image diagram or a chart, along with its caption. This gives twofold accessibility boost with some open related content and providing a text is the data visual and caption. The figure, image, description of the camper cat and gar big cap. A bar chart here. Change this to figure. Sure. Hampton. Wait. Excuse me. The label tag wraps it for a specific form. Form add a full attribute email label. That matches the ID on its input field. Yo, check this out, chat. Oh, no, there's no chat. Check this out, whoever watching up. They said I got one live view, right? And I just googled the person who's active as TV viewer, and then lurks. I've got they're all bots. So I've got like 3 bots watching my. I don't understand the point of these. Why they? Maybe this thing is there to. Well, that's embarrassing. Some bot. Anyway, okay. Let's continue. Light accessibility. Radio button. A filter element. Better accessibility. Code should have a field set tag around the radio button set. You be developing set. P tag when. Whoa, see what it did? So it added a little box around. Okay, added this thing. Look at that. Barony is right. Alright, so take a little break, have some Snickers. Alright. They're basically out of this field. That's really cool. Good ID, type. That's really cool. I didn't mean to open that. Oh, whatever, man. Really did not even that message right there. Okay, unmute myself. Let's do it. Have you noticed that all of the applied accessibility challenges I haven't used? I did notice. This is to show the importance of logical document outline and semantic tags. However, CSS ability to visually hide content. Okay. Oh, thought that's okay. Following CSS approaches will not do the same. Play now. Hidden hides content removal, including screen 0 valid pixels. Camper Cat has really cool stack bar chart for training you. Okay. Apparently I cannot see. Stack bar chart. The table already has an SR only tag. Yes, it does. Table TR. But the CSS rules aren't filled in yet. Give the position an absolute value. Oh. Absolute. Whoa. F a minus PX. Huh, it's good. Right, it's just hiding through the page, but the width and both 1 pixel. Right, run the code. The Expo. Thanks for the follow, man. Expo326. I don't know if you're still in the chat. Yeah, thanks for following. Hopefully that is not a bot because I've had a. Apparently, I don't know if you're a real person. You're watching this. Apparently, there's bots who watch channel. Yeah, cool, man. Thanks for the sub. Welcome. Let's learn to code. Hopefully, I don't know. You know what you're doing, and you can sort of guide me when I get stuck. Okay. Next thing, low contrast between the foreground and background. Yeah, it does. I cannot read it. This is fishing me. At least 4.52 1 contrast. Campus Cat choice of light text has a 1.5 to 1 contrast ratio. How do you check the contrast rate? Let's see. All right. How do you check it on a web page? Yeah, I want to put my URL. I have it checked. Maybe this. There you go, links. All right, so we will add that to. Where is it? There we go. Final line 2. It must be up. page, spit out. Ratio. And then so the contrast ratio must be 4.5. There you go. There may be many that are, yeah, that's what I want. I want one that's going to do it for me. Alright. Yeah, we can. Ooh. Alright. Problem, yeah, I'm real. Man, I'm just seeing the chat. X-Fay. Thanks, man. Glad you're real. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Because man, these bots were like last stream, I was like, man, I got someone watching. I was actually talking to him, and then I searched like 20 minutes ago. Turned out to be a bot. Like, man, that's full of my life. About 2 hours of my life speaking to him. Yeah, which is fun. All right, cool. Let's carry on with this. What am I doing? Campus Cat's choice, bike rate, background. Use the color of the text. Darker gray. Yeah, that's definitely easier to read. Submit it to next. Deep thought with the master camper cat. Color blindness issues by efficient contrast. Oh yeah, yeah. In practice. Okay, so camper cat is experimenting with color of his blog, green and brown, which is very ugly. I'm not a designer, but that looks hideous, man. Oh, I guess it's maroon or brown. Same thing. You can easily adjust the lightness of colors since he declared them using CSS. Yeah. 30. And decrease the color lightness value from 20 to 15. He's doing something, but I don't know what he's doing. Oh, the color of the... Yeah, nothing is black, but it must be white. It's 9. This. I don't know what that was. 50, and I want this to be... Yeah, that's... Danger, delete the internet. I cannot read that, that is horrendous. Capcom. Yeah, definitely too many colors, man. Cat is cat. Doesn't... Cats are probably colorblind. I don't know if that's true, but I'm gonna go with that. Cat is testing different styles. The yellow 11. I'm gonna do code to change the color for the button to dark blue. Change the text color. better, but it's still hard to 82% complete. Looks like Camper Cat's given up. What are we doing here? Give links meaning by using descriptive text. Move the anchor tags. So they're wrapper on the. Yeah. Okay. That's how we do it. Crap. Go here instead. 86%. Exploit man, you still here? Man or woman, whoever you are. Whoever you are. Okay, so no. HTML offers access key attribute to specify a shortcut key to activate. Bring to focus. Okay. HTML5 allows this attribute to this particularly used with interactive. This includes links, buttons, form. Shortcut key. Oh, so if I press B, go into. I do something. Get something. All right. Camper wants links or to blog. Code should add an access key attribute to the A tag with the ID. So I could just access key. G. Copy that. Bit of says key of C. So that means if I yeah, if I click on G to do something. Do next. Cool. Excuse me. This is the code. P focus. What? And they're showing me all these codes, but they never actually taught me any of these. This focuses. Okay. HTML offers the access key attribute, but it did this now. This key G tab index. Three distinct functions relating to it. So on a tag, it indicates just elements as form controls automatic keyword focus. Same functionality given to other as div span. Get a tab index indicates that an element is accessible, but it's not. I mean, when you click on tab and it goes through different parts of the page, I guess that's what it allows it to do, right? Okay, let's see. Epic has created a new survey. I can see there. Newbie kitten. Drawings. Newbie kitten is going to have a sword. Yeah. Sense. Add a tab in the P. Equal 0. Bonus. In tab in the to see. That's not true. It didn't turn yellow. I've done wrong. There's no yellow there. Why? Oh, look at that. I can tab through. Huh? I went straight from newbie kitten to growing start instead of developing student. Yeah, the background thing. Why is it saying it works? Don't know. Go here. Submit and go to next. Applied accessibility. Use tab index to specify the keyboard focus for several elements. HTML. Right. So this one it wants a tab index of 100% okay. And wait. That's what this is. The tab index attribute also specifies the exact tab order. Oh, so when you tab, we're going to go to 1 and 2. If I set this to 1 and 2. But it didn't do that. Going from home, log training. Yeah, he wants search input and submit input form to be first two items. But when I'm pressing tab, why is it giving me home instead? Giving me post. Got tab index. That makes sense. Okay, that's something else to add to the. Tabbing this one into the cycle through, test and find out how this works and why. Apparently, yeah. Alright. Let's come back to that because it didn't work, right? I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. Search is 1. This is 0, a 2. I go tab, goes to home. That's home. Doesn't go anywhere. Come back. Boom, that's 100%, man. 100% off accessibility there. Responsive, but yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna call this and I don't know. I'm either gonna come back in half an hour or gonna continue. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, Expo326. Thanks for the follow. I don't know if you're still watching. If you are, yeah, I'm gonna head out, man.